What is going on, guys? Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Today we've got a truck that's named after a geological formation, so I figured I'd film out here in front of some geological formations. This is Garden of the Gods, and contrary to popular belief, our shop isn't the coolest thing to see in Colorado Springs. For those returning subscribers, thank you, welcome back. Make sure that bell's turned on, thumbs up, and make sure you comment in the comment section below where you're watching from. It really helps our analytics. For those of you that are new, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell sign so you don't miss out on any of our newest content, and make sure to click that thumbs up. It really helps our analytics. Roll that intro. Alright guys, Brian with another build video. Cost of admission is that thumbs up sign. Hit it. Today we have a GMC Canyon. That's that rock formation I was hinting at. It went up 4 inches on the rough country kit. This kit is a full lift kit with a cross member drop, so there is no going back to stock after this. This customer fell in love with the Black Rhino Warlords in a 17x9. They are a positive 12 offsets. You got to go a little bit more towards the negative to get this to fit, so we did top this off with the 1.5 inch spacers. And of course, it wouldn't be a SoCo build without the Klever RTs. These are a 285 7017. Here's that build sheet, guys. Feel free to take a screenshot if you want any of these part numbers. Okay, YouTube, thumbs up, subscribe, make sure that you've got that bell clicked, and make sure to comment where you're watching this from. We love knowing where y'all are from. It really helps our analytics. Peace, y'all.